The first news in the prelims pointers is related to the map location, in which Azerbaijani government has said that 5 Azerbaijanis have been killed in Sea of Azov, and there was a cargo ship which was attacked by a drone, and these 5 Azerbaijanis were killed. Russia says that this drone attack was carried out by Ukraine. So we will be taking up this to cover the places in news. So Sea of Azov, if you can see in this map, more importantly, the northern side of Black Sea, connected with Kerch Strait of Kerch, that is Kerch. So it is connected to Black Sea through the Kerch Strait, and east of it is Russia, while west of it is Ukraine. So strategically important for both to have access to Black Sea. Now after the war and the Crimean annexation, it is also important for Russia because it directly provides land access and a narrower access to the Crimean Peninsula, to the Russia. Plus some feature which are important from the perspective of geography. It is the shallowest sea in the world. Average depth is just 7 meters. Very large sediment inflow by the rivers, and these rivers bring a huge amount of fresh water, which brings down its salinity also. So it has a low salinity. Main rivers are Don and Kuban, while smaller rivers are like Meos, Kalmius and Barda. And very important feature is long spit like Arabat spit, if you can see in this map. So here is a long sand spit is there, which is separating the ocean body, and very important again for the navigation purpose, because it connects Central Asia to global market through Volga-Don Canal. Volga-Don Canal, again a very important canal on the northeastern side of Azov Sea, and which provides a connection to Middle East, the Central Asia to the global market. Strategic importance I have already covered. Another thing is the Bosporus Strait. Just keep this thing in mind. Now, if you will see this map, through Kerch Strait, it is connected to Black Sea. Through Bosporus Strait, it is connected to Sea of Marmara, which is again connected to Aegean Sea, which in turn gives connectivity to the Mediterranean Sea. And that is why these whole water bodies are important from the strategic perspective for both Ukraine, Russia and other countries which are sharing border with the Black Sea and surrounding area, including Turkey. So Sea of Azov, Kerch Strait, Black Sea, Bosporus Strait, Sea of Marmara, Aegean, and then Mediterranean Sea.